Hey guys, so let's just jump on into the tutorial. For this hot Cheeto inspired look, of course we're going to need a fiery red shade. So I'm going to be starting off with the Inferno shade from the Be Perfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie Carnival XL palette, and I'm just going to apply this with a pencil brush right in my crease, and this is a winged out type of look, so I am going to be extending it past the eye, kind of past the brow up towards the brow, if that makes any sense. You guys will see right now. And I'm just going to continuously pack that shade and then go on and blend it out. So now right above that red shade, we're going to go in with the shade Lit from the palette, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges with that shade, as well as bringing it up more towards the brow bone. Okay, so now we're going to go in with the shade Keane, and we're going to take that right above that orange shade, and I really go back and forth packing this shade on because I do want the yellow shade above the brow to be very, I'm sorry, not above the brow, above that orange shade to be very, very pigmented and bright. So to really get that blowout look, you want to keep going back and forth. So I'm just going to go back in with that orange shade and fix whatever was lost there to deepen it and brighten it up a bit. Then I'm going to cut the crease. I should mention that I went in with a Q-tip and I got some makeup remover and I carved the crease out first that way because I did not want the P. Louise base to mix in with that red and turn pink. So now I'm just taking that Inferno shade on a pencil brush and I'm going to create kind of like a liner. I'm bringing that up towards the brow bone and I'm just going to stop about midway. So I'm taking that Lit shade, which was the bright orange shade, and I'm going right next to that Inferno shade, and I'm just going to start applying that. It's going to fade into a yellow shade, so I'm making sure that in between the red and orange is blended very well. So I'm also taking Pillowtalk from the palette, and it is a bright white shade, and I'm just going to set above those red and orange shades just so that I don't get any creasing up above in that negative space. So now I'm just going to go in with the shade Keane, and it is the bright yellow shade, and I'm going right next to that orange shade, and I'm going to go above those two colors as well with the yellow shade. That way it just blends out. I don't really want it to look like a liner. I just kind of want it to look smudged, you know, kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but it's not going to look like a liner. I want the yellow to be up above those two orange shades as well. And I don't know why I didn't record myself applying the glitter, but literally right on the crease, oh, that was my husband being sweet, right above the crease, kind of in the crease, I guess, I just added some gold glitter liner. And I'm just going on the bottom lash line, and I'm just using the shades Inferno and Lit. And this is my hot Cheeto inspired look. I love me some hot Cheetos. I can't really eat them as much anymore now that I have braces, but I do be eating the hot Cheeto puffs. So yeah guys, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.